Hi guys, Steph here. Okay, so this is the first pen haul of 2022. Now before we run into these very briefly, I get a lot of people saying to me, how can I buy pens from you? Well, basically all these pens here, not only these, but a lot of the pens from previous pen hauls are still available for sale. So some people say, well, how can I buy a pen? Well, as I say, I'll show you these. Some of these pens are for parts. Some of them will be sold as parts pens. Some of them will be used for parts, and some of them will be restored and sold to my customers. So what you need to do is basically down below there in the description, you've got the information. Contact me if you're interested in any of these, any other pens. Like I say, I've got others available that are not reviewed or that are waiting to find new homes. Yeah, so the easiest thing is to contact me. But let's have a look at these pens here in no specific order. There we go, straight from the top there, or from the front, we've got a King's Silver Jubilee fountain pen in the box. There we go, look, it's got King's Silver Jubilee on the side there. So, yeah, looks like a stainless steel nib. Interesting pen, I've never seen one before. From the front here, what we got? Oh, we've got a Wyvern fountain pen. It's got this sort of semi-hooded nib. What we'll do, we'll restore that one. That'll become available. As we're talking about Wyvern, look at that. Another two Wyvern fountain pens. Unfortunately, none of these two have got nibs. And some of them have got parts missing, so I do think I have a spare nib available. So what I'll do, I'll make one pen from them from them two. As always, look at that, I picked up a swan cap. That may come in handy sometime. As always, we've got a Parker 51, which again will be serviced and restored. Incidentally, anybody looking for Parker 51s, not only this one, I've actually got quite a few Parker 51s. I've got, I think, about 2 or 3 that are restored, ready to go. So yeah, where are you Parker 51 people out there? Get in touch. I'm not sure what this one is. Let me have a look. Well, what I'll do, let me show you the barrel. Oh, it's the Chatsworth pen. So we've got a Chatsworth pen. Yeah, we'll do something with that, I'm sure. We've got a Swan pen here, no cap to it, but things like the nib, etc., they come in handy for spares. Oops. I'm not sure what this one is. Oh, look, the Chatsworth pen. Well, so we've got Wyvern, Chatsworth doubling up. Now this is, although it's a ballpoint pen, a gorgeous pen, I've just put a new refill in it. It's in perfect working order, a gorgeous example. What we've got is a Parker 75 Vermeil Cicel ballpoint pen. So that's basically doesn't need anything doing. It's in beautiful condition. As I say, I've just put a brand new refill in it. That is available if anybody's interested. Give me a shout. I think we've got a Parker 17, is it? Yeah, there's a little interesting one. I think this is a Conway Stewart 15 in just this plain grey colour, nickel trim. We'll restore that. That'll make a nice little writing pen for somebody. Oh, there we go. This is one of the, in my opinion, one of the interesting ones. This is the Anotto the pen. There we go. We've got an Anotto nib in it. The model of this one is the 2052. I think it's a plunger filler. Yeah, just basically, well, I say just, it needs servicing, but look at that. Unfortunately, it's got a cap band missing. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that, whether we'll try and find a band for it. I'm not sure. A nice little Burnham fountain pen. There we go, it's got no nib to it. What's this one? Let's have a look. Oh, right, there we go. A nice Summit fountain pen. There we go, look at that, with a lovely large nib to it. Lovely colour. I'm sure we'll do something with that. That'll be fully restored, and we'll find a home for that one. Somebody will love that pen. Looks like a Parker 60, yeah, Parker 61. You can see, as always, the inlaid arrow is missing, which is a pain in the butt, but not sure what I'll do. What we got here, is it a unique? Again, I'll show you people. I think it's a unique fountain pen. Let's have a look if it's got a nib. Yeah, it's got a nib to it. So once again, look at that. The clip is a little bit worn. Again, not sure. Put it on the not sure pile. That's a Burnham by the looks of it. Again, the problem with these Burnham pens, for you people that don't know, is the plate on the clips was very, very thin, and they tend to wear off very easily. So if you ever get a Burnham that's got a nice gold clip on it, then snap it up. But yeah, look, got a nice Burnham nib to that. I think this is a Parker. Is it a Dufold or a Victory? I'm not sure. Hopefully you can see that. I'm actually showing you people because it's clearer on the camera. There we go. I think it's got a slight bent nib there, but that's not a problem. Yeah, we'll restore that. They make superb everyday writing pens. Here's another interesting one. It's a Parker 65. Unfortunately, look at that, the section, as with a lot of these pens, shrink, etc. So we need to find another section for this pen. If anybody's got one out there, please let me know, because with this lovely consort cap, they are very desirable pens. So we'll try and find a new section for that. Yeah, there we go, Parker 45, gold nib on it. Great everyday writers again, if anybody's looking for a quite inexpensive pen. What's this one? Stevens. So it looks like a Stevens pen. Yeah, Stevens lever fill pen. Slightly discoloured, but again, we'll do something with this because I actually like these sort of classic black plain pens, and it's quite a nice chunky pen as well, so that'll come up nicely and that'll make a great pen for somebody. We've got a lady Schaefer there. Look at this, it's lovely pattern. Unfortunately, again, with a lot of these, this particular model, the section to the top there tend to crack. I've actually got a number of these pens in different patterns. All have got cracks in the sections. So again, looking for new sections to them. Once again, another Parker 51. Any of you Parker fans out there looking for 51s, get in touch. As I say, I've got a few of these and they are looking for homes. I'm not sure what this is. Actually, I don't know. That looks it. Just bear with me a second. Pitman's Phono lever self filler made in England. Pitman's. There we go. A Pitman's Phono or something. Self filler. I've never heard of it, to be quite honest with you. So, interesting pen. There's another one. What's this one? I think, yeah, it's another Swan. No cap to it. Again, we can use the nib on it. And again, looks like another Parker 61. Look at that again. They're always missing. Well, that's the problem with these 61s. That's why they're not my favourite pens. Once you soak the section, this inlaid nib falls off. But somebody will enjoy it. There we go, another Parker 51. Some slight discolouring there, but we may have a spare barrel to that, so another Parker 51. What's in here? There we go, there's another Lady Schaefer pen with this lovely band here. That one actually looks fine. That looks okay. So anybody looking for a pen like this for the wife, the girlfriend, comes in a little case as well, so get in touch if you are. Another Parker, there we go, does what it says on the tin, Parker 45 in this brushed stainless steel gold filled trim. Lovely pens. And last but not least, a Schaefer set. I think this is, I'm not sure of the model, is it a 303, don't quote me, but lovely condition. And the nice thing about this one, if I show you the nib, okay, it's got a broad, is it an oblique or italic, a broad, oblique or italic nib. So somebody will enjoy that. We'll just simply clean it up, and yeah, it comes with, looks like a pencil. So a lovely set. Anybody interested, give me a shout. And that's it basically. Yes, that's everything. So that was the beginning of the year. Not a great deal. There's a couple there that are interesting. Some of them, as I say, are parts pens, but yeah, we'll keep looking. We're looking for that special pen. We'll keep looking, and when we find them, we'll bring them here, show them to you people. So I hope you enjoyed looking at them pens as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. Don't forget, subscribe, give the video the thumbs up. Don't forget, leave a comment below, and yeah, wherever you are, please stay safe. But for now, I'll just say bye bye for now.